Here you go, guys, the video I said I was going to make later. Put out a small little video on Instagram. I think I may have put it on YouTube. Alright, you're crawling on my neck. Go away. But there you go. They do work. I refreshed the Swarm Commander on it. I put lemongrass oil in the wax I put on it. But here, I don't know, a day or so ago, I refreshed it. So this is the proof that it does work. If anybody sees the queen, give me a shout, because I don't see her. Alright ladies, you're landing on me. Get up there and land on the bait lure. Queen cage in pocket in case I do see her. Should have been over here when they were lighting. I'd had a better chance of finding her because she's probably in the middle of one of these clumps. I don't know if I pointed it out a while ago, but right there's where the refresher was. Still got plenty of them in the air. It's a pretty good sized swarm. I know the box it came out of, so I know it's a virgin queen. That's it. Just a little bit of Swarm Commander and some imagination. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.